back in the city where it all started.
What are you talking about?
You are starting. This photographer will be good for you. You don't need to be nervous. And you know why? You don't have to do anything. You just have to be here.
You think he wants to fuck me?
Go in, give it a shot. Say something really stupid, and you see how good it sounds.
No ens interessa el que hi ha darrere la paret. A mi no m'interessa. A mi el que m'interessa és el que hi ha dins. Aquí. On anem? Enlloc, no? Què hi ha a l'altra banda? No ho sé.
A mi totes aquestes em sembla la mateixa, no sé.
Què dius? És ella, Eva.
Has quedat amb ella?
Sí?
No.
Anyway, there's this photographer, Mia. She's in charge of our rematch, and she has a new assistant.
What are you talking about?
I didn't know. Didn't know you had to make a big deal of that.
Want me to say something like I love you? It's not.
It's not what? It's not aesthetic, it's not cool. Me and you guys haven't changed a bit.
It's too easy.
We like a picture. Like an interactive picture.
You have to live with yourself. I don't.
Everybody should be asking themselves about this question.
Anna, are you okay?
Do you love the person you are with? Or do you really like her?